me. Up and down. Up and down. Hey everybody, Callie Storm Doll here, and today I'm here to review Shadow High's Nicole Steele. Yes, if you guys have not noticed, Shadow High is another sideline of the Rainbow High doll series. This doll series has branched off more side series than core series. I originally was going to ignore this line and just jump into wave 4, but Rainbow High has been reeling your girl in recently, as I could not ignore the Slumber Party line or the Pacific Coast line. Yes, I gave into both. Now, I didn't complete either of the lines, but I did get, a few dolls from each line. So it's probably going to happen the same way with Shadow High. Now, the interesting thing about these dolls is, yes, your screen isn't playing tricks on you. These dolls were made in grayscale. So her skin tone, she's actually that tone. I can't wait to get her out of her packaging, get into those fashions, and we're going to see what Miss Steele is bringing to this party. I'm going to do something I usually don't do during a review, but I'm not liking how this lip is setting out. I think they were maybe trying to give her, I don't know what they were trying to do, but I'm going to see if I can correct this lip really quickly. Me and Nicole will be right back. Hey, and we are back. I have Nicole still out of her packaging, and yes, she has been revamped. She's been refaced. Let's take a closer look at Nicole Steele. I have actually given her a different look a little bit on her lips. I didn't like how they had her lips, so now it's more of a kind of gives me a comic book type of look. It just is beautiful. I just didn't like maybe the style they were trying to go with originally, but since we have her here, let's start to look her over. Looking at her face sculpt, what drew me into this doll, and I said these eyes are beautiful. I love her lashes. They gave her a nice pink eyeshadow, and they also gave her a nice pink cheek. Her earrings, as you can see, say shadow on each ear. You can see her baby hairs are actually dual toned, so they're not just one color, as you can see. But once you guys see these dolls in real life, it's not just one tone of gray. They've used several strands. I see light gray, dark gray. It's almost like a mixture. And then when we go down to her first look, we can see that Nicole definitely has a sporty side to her. You can see she has the overlarged sparkle hoodie from Rainbow High, and it is supposed to be denim. As you can see on the back, it does feature a Velcro closure, and it can actually be removed. Look at the sleeves, and you'll see that she does have some anime drawings on there, which maybe shows Nicole has more of an artistic style. Sleeve, it says 2022. And on her jacket, it says anti-sparkle. Right now, these dolls are available at Target and Walmart. You can see she has on the top, it's kind of like a sporty look. It says SH. It's kind of like a holographic right there on the front. You can see she has her shorts. It says shadow on the one side of her outfit. On the other side, it's blank. You can see her socks a little bit better, and these are her shoes that she's wearing. And you can see they really have the active wear with her, which I really, really love. She actually comes with clawed fingernails. If you guys take a close look, her fingernails are actually clawed. Nicole comes with a comb, and this is Nicole's secondary outfit. So we're going to open these up and try these on her. All right, we are back, and we have Miss Steele in her secondary look, and I love these boots. These futuristic boots that on the back they have shadow. Look at them. I want a pair of boots like this. These boots go all the way up to her thighs. These are the definition of thigh high rider boots. Yes, they're like a cross between sneakers and boots. Very soft material. When you get into her jacket, it's the shadow emblem, but it kind of reminds me of Adidas. She kind of reminds me of like a Missy Elliott type of doll, like Missy Elliott, the old school rapper. Remember that video called Work It? This is what this reminds me of. And on the back you can see And if you don't want this on her, you can take it off. On the inside of the jacket, you can see all the rainbow high detailing. Oh, excuse me, shadow high detailing. So this is what she gives with just her jersey skirt and then her thigh-high boots. This is what she's bringing to the party. But what I notice about them, and then especially if you guys watch the show, you see that even though they're grayscale, not all of them have like a typical gothy type personality. So you know me, it wouldn't be a Callie Storm Doll review if I didn't try something during the review. Now I know we just unboxed Nicole Steele. I know what you're thinking. Callie, please don't give her a makeover. We just unboxed her. Well, who are you looking forward to out of the series 4 of the Rainbow High dolls? Because yes, it's coming sooner than we know. So I just wanted to bring up some of the girls from some of the other sidelines that we got. Slumber Party girls, and there's also been the Rockstar girls and things like that, but I just wanted to focus on them. I know that MGA is doing this to kind of see what the audience wants. This was a really great idea, producing a line of completely grayscale dolls, but is it really what we wanted from Rainbow High? Who knows? Only time will tell. Now my prediction is, do you think that this line of Shadow High dolls will outsell the core 4 dolls? The only reason I'm asking is because I believe if the Shadow High dolls don't do well, this may be the last of the side doll lines that we see from Rainbow High. I believe they're going to try to focus more on the core lines and try to come out with more play sets. I believe someone released details of also fashion packs. I could be wrong, but let me know if you guys have heard about that as well. I'm going to give Miss Steele a gothy makeover. We'll be right back. All right, my little storm dolls, and I am back with the makeover of Nicole Steele. And as you can see, I decided to add some color to her look. I was gonna go with like all black, all goth, but then I was like, let's have some fun. So I added the little sparkle shirt, and she's wearing Icy's skirt, and I think she looks so cute. I think it was nice to add a little bit of color into her palette. And Nicole does come with some nice pieces, but I would have to say, out of all the pieces that she came with, I have to say that these boots are my favorite. Definitely. They're futuristic, they're stylistic. Definitely worth it. One thing that I don't like is her earrings will not stay in. I don't know why. I just cannot keep these earrings in. But I'm excited to have this doll. I'm going to keep styling her until I get a style that I'm really enjoying on her. Right now, I think this is cute. She's kind of giving me time traveler. Like, whoa, I'm from a different time. She'll say, what time are you from? Well, where I'm from, we don't have color. It's a thing of the past. Oh, wow. So that could be a cool series. Like maybe she climbs out of the TV. But it's not the ring. It's Nicole Steele. So I'll think about it. But let me know what you guys think. Do you think this is a doll that you'll collect, or you think it's an easy pass? Let's go over her articulation. If you're new to the world of Rainbow High, they have the head tilt, so they can look around and they can tilt their head. She has shoulder articulation, elbow, wrist. They don't have anything in the midsection, but they do have hip articulation. They have a thigh cut. They also have a bend at the knee and nothing in the foot. So if you're new, that's their articulation. And the clothes that I swapped on her are also made by Rainbow High. So I don't want you guys to think I used different doll clothes, but I might in the future. I'll let you guys know. Let me know which Rainbow High side series is your favorite. Is it Shadow High, Pacific Coast, Slumber Party, or Rockstar Party? Let me know by leaving me a comment below. And which doll are you looking forward to the most out of the Core 4? Not Core 4, Wave 4. Sorry, y'all. Out of Wave 4 of Rainbow High. I can't wait to look forward to it. And leave me some comments below. Like and share. And remember this, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, Stormies. See you next time.
doll.